Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Okay, so in today's video, we have a collaboration and it's a closed collab. It's called the 12 Days of Christmas and this is being hosted by Ali from Glam Elegant Living. Now we do have some co-hosts and I'm going to be linking them down below with the channel links. I'm also going to be linking the playlist. So make sure and watch the video, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist so that you can get some ideas for the holiday season. Now, since we're almost coming to the close of these 12 days, I decided to take a different twist and I wanted to say happy birthday to all of the winter babies. Now I'm going to go ahead and take a pause from the Christmas decorations just to say happy birthday to all of those who were born in the winter time or these winter months or the holiday months, and even those of you who feel cheated. Now this is a great way for you to make a faux birthday cake with items that I purchased mostly from the Dollar Tree. Now this faux birthday cake literally looks so real that my son didn't even realize that it wasn't a real cake. He was getting ready to dig right into it. It is beautiful. Now, as you can see here, these are two of the plastic pieces. One of them is the cake dish that you can find in the silver section of the Dollar Tree. The other one, it's from the floral section. And so I decided to just flip it over and make a dome out of it. And so we're gluing that down now, and that's what you see me doing here. And then you'll follow along. So I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music as I put this birthday cake together, and then we're going to head on over to the reveal to wish everyone who's a winter baby a happy birthday. Instead of getting the small little spackles they have at the Dollar Tree, if you can find them, because I haven't found them lately, but I had a couple left over in my stash. This is too small. I needed a lot more than that. So I went down to the local hardware store, and that's what you see me putting in this bowl. And then in order to get the right coloring that I wanted, I used the apple barrel paint. I'm not sure if it was the cream color or what exactly the name it's called, but you go with the shade that you want to go with. And I wanted to go with the cream color because this way I can reuse the cake for any occasion. So we're shaking that up and we're going to mix that into the spackle until you get the color that you want. Now you have to remember that the spackle is more of a dry matte finish, and the apple barrel paint was also a matte finish. So what I did was I added some glossy Mod Podge into the mix, and that's what you saw me adding there last. And now we're just gonna mix this all up and get it ready to frost the cake, guys. Okay, now during Valentine's Day, they had a package of these roses in the foam, and they came in pink, red, and I'm not sure if this is cream. I think this is a cream color. I thought that was another color. I might have seen like purple, but maybe not. But this is what we're using to embellish the top of the cake in that cream color. The only other thing I did was buy the happy birthday sign in gold, and this is like so beautiful. Now remember that by this time that frosting has already hardened, so that's dry. Now what we're doing is we're going to use some hot glue on the top of that just to lay that happy birthday sign down so it won't move, and we will use the roses to embellish around it and support that sign. So I think the end result was totally amazing, and I think we're going to head on over to the reveal, guys. Now once again, I want to wish everyone who has a holiday season birthday this winter a happy birthday. May you be blessed and may you be showered with love all day long. Now, I do want to take a moment and thank Allie from Glam Elegant Living for hosting this collaboration along with all of the beautiful co-hosts, including myself. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed putting it together for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the finale tomorrow.